Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, ICN Noor Academy. Let's start the assembly with Surah Al-Fatiha.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. Amen. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Thank you, Noor, for reciting for us this week. This time we also have Sef reminding us to keep saying Bismillah before we do things. Let's watch him.
I say Bismillah before I drink my milk. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Jazakallah Saif for remembering yourself and also for reminding us. Now let's continue learning the meaning of Surah Al-Fatiha. Here is what we have learned so far. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'een. Ihdina as-siratal mustaqim. Here's what that means. All praise is for Allah, the owner and master of all the worlds, the most loving and generous and the most merciful, ruler of the day of judgment. It is only you that we pray to and only you that we ask for help. Guide us to the straight path. The new part for this week is صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم, and that means the path of those whom you have given your grace. It's time for the name hat. Let's see who will be reciting Surah Al-Fatiha next week. Inshallah, it's going to be Ziyad. Congratulations, Ziyad. We look forward to hearing from you. That's all for this week. See you next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.